Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we'll learn how to create random password generator app using React.js. I am using React.js. If you want you can use React.js only. In the app route I'm creating a components folder. Inside the components folder I'm creating a random password component. And I paste a card. It is just a design. It is not so difficult. And I use the card in the page.js to showing it in the browser. There is no functionality. It's time to implement the functionality. First of all, I will call React use state hook. Password, set password, use state. Actually, it is from React. It will by default empty. Now I will create a function to generate a random and strong password named by generated password. And I'm using array function. You can use regular function also. I have to create a variable that contains all lowercase, uppercase, digit and special characters. I copied all lowercase and paste it here and I convert it into uppercase. Now I am writing all the digit here. I copied a special character from Google and paste it here. I am creating another variable, generate password. It will by default empty. I will now loop over my cursor variable so that I can get a random password including lowercase, uppercase, digit and special characters. The password will 12 characters. Const random index math.flow math.random into cursor.length. The generated password is reassigned to the random index. Cursor.create random index. Updating the set password state to the generated password. My generated password function is completed. Let me check whether the password is generated or not. My generated password function is working correctly. And I'll show the password here. In password true, it will show password or generate a password. The password is showing correctly. Now I will create another function to copy the password. If password is true, navigator.clipboard.write text password. It will copy the password. I'm calling the function in my copy button and it is my copy button. I'm generating another new password and copying it and paste it here. My first character is U and the last character is H. It is work properly. I want to when I copy a password, the copy button will change. I'm creating another use state hook. Set copy icon. It will by default copy symbol. When the password is copied, the icon will change to a tick mark. I am using the copy icon state in my copy button. Let me generate another new password. When copied it, the icon is changed to a tick mark. I want the icon to return to a tick mark after 2 seconds. I will create a set interval function. Set coffee icon will the coffee symbol. The interval will 2000 millisecond. I will create another new password. Copied it. After 2 seconds, the icon is back to a copy symbol. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.